Hello, Adele. Who can recognize me? Yeah, this is how I look like today. We've been working on this project. It's a kitchen cabinet which we are making here, and this is why I've been cutting the granite. And this is how I look. It's actually it's a marble, not even a granite. It makes you look a lot of. It has a lot of dirt. So don't worry. This is part of the web. So let me. Yeah, so this is the house that we have been working on. So it's a 4-bedroom house. So our work is majorly on the kitchen side and not any other side. So let me show you around. I've been cutting the granite the whole day today. Actually, it's not a granite, it's just a marble. A marble. The marble is has a lot of dust. You can see even on the floor. It's so dusty. So dusty. So this is it has this big backflash, and also this one is also from the other side. This is let me show you well. So this is just a breakfast table from this. Can so this is the this just breakfast area. The dining is on the other end. So just it will have a bit of some of maybe seats, uh, just maybe 2 or 3 seater there. So it's a breakfast area. So I can say this is a breakfast area, and this is how it looks like. So this is part of it. So there will be maybe 2 or 3, you can put 2 or 3 chairs there. Then we have drawers from the other hand with cutleries. This is for cutleries racks. Yeah. And also we have this one. This is it's called a magic corner cabinet. So when you pull it, you see that one is coming out, so you can arrange your things there so that you make sure that you maximize the use of the corner. You see those dead ends. So this one is what you can see, can use. This is a very nice alternative where you can use that. See how it closes, no? Blocking. Yeah, just soft close like that. Then also some drawers where you can arrange, this one where you can arrange your dishes, utensils, and of course we have the wall cabinets with the mirror, and also it has LED light. See, this one is LED light. It's grooved all over, and all of them has that kind, all of them. And also we have LED light also on the down parts. Then also we have this is you see that one is just where you can put your soaps and any other things that you use for washing your utensils. So a nice storage there. Then again we have let me show you this. It's a nice one, you can see. So this is the sink, and also it has the where you can have the maybe you can put other things there. Yeah, so it's a nice one. And also we have an island which is also coming with the cook on top of it. So here we have doors, some storages. Also here we have doors and some storages. This is a dead end. So here we are going to cut still. We are going to have the wood. You can see it doesn't have those wood. So this one is wood, which the excavator is underground. It goes all from the underground. So you will see it when you want to work with it, it comes up. So from this end also we have another sink from this end. It has 2 sinks. So this one we have not installed yet. We will install it fully. So this one is not installed yet. Then we have also this provision for the dishwashers. It's there. Then at the corner, initially it was supposed to have another cooker, but the plan has changed. So we have drawers on the lower end, and of course the wall cabinets, big ones, very nice ones. Yeah, so that's the wall cabinet. So of course this is the cooker. This is the cooker at the moment, the main cooker that we have. So on the lower end we have that drawers which are here. We just removed them because we were cutting the granite there, so that it cannot be spoiled with dust. And here we have very long cabinets. So from the first one we have the first cabinet and the second cabinet. These are the fridges. We have two fridges there. Then for this one we have the pull-out, which is not fully installed. You're going to install that. Then we have the microwave and oven also there. And we have a tall cabinet with the LED lights. So this is a tall cabinet with the LED lights. That's why you can see the LED light grouped on it. Yes. And at the end of it, we have this storage. So this is just a pantry. The normal pantry that we have always. So we have the tall pantries around it, and that's how it looks like. And we have a lot of things that have not been installed. So like these ones, tomorrow we're going to deal with that. We are going to do those ones, and then we call it all. So from this end also we have some more pull-outs. So this one is just a pull-out for cutleries and everything else. It's a bit dusty. Tomorrow we'll clean that. And another one is here, which we will remove out. It's there. And that's how it looks like so far. I've not mentioned this one. We have the floating shelves. The floating shelf with the LED lights. You can see we have placed the LED lights, so the power will be fixed. Then when you are working there, you just use your lights well. So otherwise, hope you will see more of this as we go on and as we continue working on this project. So far, this is the dining area, then the sitting area, another sitting area on the other end. Let me just show you. It's just a nice room. So this is I think it's a small sitting room, and there's this large sitting room here. So it's a big one. It's a big house for the big people. So you can see how it looks like. So maybe I think they will have that fire thing there, and also another one will be there. And the TV area, I don't know, the TV area might be, I think there's no TV here. So the TV room, I don't know which one is the TV room so far, because there's no indications. So if you can see this, how it looks like. It looks very, very, very beautiful. So let me show you the rooms, how it looks like. Very haraka haraka, twende nyumbani. Yeah, actually my work was just to. So these are the rooms. Yeah, I don't want to do a lot of video mwenyewe yako area, and I've not asked for permission to do a video here. So sometimes it brings, look at that pergola, very nice. So sometimes And also look at this door. Look at that door. This is made of mvule wood. Yeah, so very nice rooms, very nice rooms. Nice rooms. Yes, nice rooms. So, okay, tomorrow I'll ask for permission so that I can give you a full tour of this house if they agree. So for now, I was just doing a video on what I'm working on. You know what I'm working on, I have all the permission to do a video on it. But whatever I'm not working on, sometimes might bring a problem. But otherwise, the house is well. See how the mvule wood looks like. It's very beautiful, done well. And actually, this wood and this door, I don't know how much this guy bought it, but I know I can give you the estimate. This one, if you don't have around, the least you can get this one is around 30,000 with the mvule. That's the door alone, leave alone the frame. The door alone is around 30,000. Some areas I know where you can get it with around 58,000. That's the big one, the big door. So these ones are just standard because they don't have, you can see there's no ventilation. So this one is around 30,000. If it has the ventilation, then you talk around 50 and above, 40 and above. So I know that. So otherwise, I don't have much to say. I was just making that video to show you what we are working on. I will give a full video on this from the beginning, how we started up till here. This is just a preliminary video, so you will see that in full. I think maybe in 2 or for 2-3 days, maybe on Sunday, Monday, you will get that video. Otherwise, thank you and see you in the next one.